Morning guys, so today's the day is the Carole Nash MCN motorcycle show at the XL. So I'm just getting all ready to go there, so it should be about 20 to 30 minutes. I'm just waiting for a couple of friends to come and join me. So today is such a beautiful day. It's nice and bright. It doesn't look like it's going to rain. It's a little bit cold, but not as cold as I thought it would be. So it should be a nice ride there, and can't wait to see all the bikes again and some new ones. And maybe I'll even see some of you guys up there.
That is absolutely stunning. And that seat.
Usually I do it with the left hand.
Is that the new GoPro 10? They're pretty nice, the man.
He was a bit of a mess. I was like. So here we are, guys, at the bike show. You can see how many bikes are here already. It's what just 9:30, just past 9:30, and going in, dropping the helmet in the bag, and look at some cool bikes. So let's go and see them. Hey guys, here I am at the bike show. So we're going to be looking around. This time no mask required, so it's much nicer, much better experience. As you can see, it's buzzing, it's loads of people. It's a much smaller show than the NEC, but still worth coming along. So yeah, let's have a look around. There's obviously a track here in the middle of the show, and there's quite a few manufacturers. We're gonna go and see one by one, and I'll try to showcase the nicest bikes there, but then it will be my opinion. So let's go and do that now, shall we? It was very hard to record and bring you all the bikes here because it's packed and there's not a lot of space for me to record properly, so it wouldn't be an enjoyable view for you guys. So what I'm going to do now is just have a little game with my mates and see if we could take one bike home from the show here, which one would it be? So I'm going to pass it on to the guys and see what they say. This is Michael.
Hello.
And Michael, which bike do you own?
So I'm riding a BMW R1200 GS, water-cooled, which I've had a couple of years. It's done all of 5,000 miles, no, 8,000 miles, I lie. So it hasn't had to, not nearly enough, no. I've been riding adventure bikes a long time, so I have my heart set on something smaller, punchier, slightly more bonkers.
So which one? Let's decide today. Which one would you take?
So the one I'm taking home this year is a Ducati Hypermotard, SP, because I think it looks gorgeous, and I think it'd be an absolute lunatic on the road. My license wouldn't last 5 minutes, so.
What do you like about it?
It's narrow, upright stance, light, punchy engine, and I think it looks beautiful. It ticks a lot of boxes for me. It's completely impractical. It's pretty much the polar opposite of what I ride now.
This is going to be your second bike, really?
Yeah, absolutely. Second bike. Yeah. No, maybe not. Maybe I'll sell the first one today.
Well, thank you very much, buddy. Okay, so the bike I would be taking home would be the Multistrada, and the only reason for it is because it's the bike that I find that does everything. So you know me, I have the CB1000R, and it's lovely. But for long rides that I'm planning to do in the future, the Multistrada would be the one. Ideally would be the V4, but I can't afford that, so the V2 I think is a more practical, nice bike, and here it is. It's gorgeous, it's practical, does everything really well. I don't know too much of the specs, but I know it's a good bike. The reviews are amazing. So I'm gonna jump on the bike and let's see how it feels.
Here we go. It's a matter of bike.
I love it.
Still loving it?
Very much so, very comfortable. It's a really nice positioning. Yeah, I think it suits me, guys. This is the one. It's calling it today at the bike show. As you can see, still loads of bikes, even more than when I came. Yeah, it's packed there. So I'm just gonna get the helmet, and then I'm gonna shoot to the bike shed and get a nice meal.
I want to hear this bike wheel start, but why not go?
You want to hear it?
That Aqua can looks brilliant.
Cheers.
I've been needing to put one on this bike for about 4 years now, it's never got around to it.
guys, so here I am at the bike shed. It's not too busy actually. I think everyone's probably at the bike show, and some of them will be coming here. We did come fairly early, or early-ish. It's what? 20 to 1, so it's a pretty good time to come down and grab some food before it gets packed up. There's a decent parking as well, still quite a few spots available. So this is a good time to go if you ever want to come down for a meal. Anyway, I'm going to get some to eat, probably a burger, and I'll show you in a minute. See ya. So guys, I was wrong. Actually, it's pretty busy inside, but not too busy that you can't find a place to sit and grab some to eat. But yeah, it's nice and lively, but not too lively, so it's good. So, hey guys, so I'm back from the show and the bike shed. Today was a great day for riding. Dry, sunny, although very, very cold. Thank God I had my Keys heater jacket, which kept me nice and toasty all the way in and out. The show was pretty good. Very, very crowded, very hard to record or even try some bikes. There was, we had to wait quite a bit to jump on bikes. But overall it was nice. It was actually nicer just to meet up with my friends. Bike shed was amazing. There was very busy inside. Outside it got crowded later. But the food was really good. We had a burger and some sweet potato chips. Anyway, I'm back home. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and I can't wait to show you what else am I going to bring you to the channel. Until then, have a good one. See ya. Bye.